What is the call stack in Eclipse Debug View? Imagine you're trying to find out how your program got to where it is right now. When you're debugging in Eclipse, the call stack is like a map of all the steps your program took to reach this point. It is a list that shows every method or function call that has happened during execution. When your program hits a breakpoint or pauses, the call stack appears in the debug view. It displays the sequence of method calls from the very first one to the current one. Each entry in this list is called a stack frame, and it shows the method name, the source file, and the exact line where execution is paused. Think of it like a trail of breadcrumbs. If you want to understand how your program arrived here, you just follow the trail back through the call stack. When you step into a method during debugging, Eclipse adds a new entry to this list. When you step out of a method, the top entry disappears. This dynamic list helps you see the flow of your program in real time. You can click on any entry in the call stack to jump directly to that part of the code. This makes it easier to analyze how different methods interact and where things might be going wrong. The call stack is especially useful when working with complex programs that have many method calls or recursive functions. It helps you identify the exact point where an error occurs or where the program's behavior is unexpected. You can inspect variables at different levels of the call stack to see how data changes as the program runs. This way, you get a clear picture of the program's execution flow. In Eclipse, the call stack is shown as a list of stack frames in the debug view. Each frame shows the method name, source file, and line number. When you step into a method, Eclipse adds a new frame. When you step out, it removes the top frame. Using this view effectively allows you to trace bugs, verify your logic, and understand the sequence of method calls that led to the current state. It is a key tool for mastering debugging and fixing issues quickly.